For part 2, we'll be making the filling, doing the folding, and the frying of the gyoza. And I normally do this while I have the dough resting for the wrappers from part 1. So for the filling, we have a seasoning. We have soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and there's ginger, green onion, mushrooms, garlic, cabbage, and I'm using ground chicken. You're welcome to use any sort of ground meat that you'd like. So we'll go ahead and start with the filling. So after many hours, these are the final gyoza. They have a nice crisp underneath. This recipe does make quite a huge batch, so you can easily cut it in half. But I like to freeze them, so they freeze quite easily and they'll stay for a couple months. Just put them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. Yeah, so thanks for watching.